Good morning, astrolifers. How are you? My paintings is finally up the wall. That looks much better. Yes, because Mercury obviously has been moving forwards, and so I had a handyman coming at home and finally putting all the paintings up, and yeah, looks much better. More like a home. Okay, so what have I got to say this week? Well, this week is just an amazing time, okay? I just have good news, so that's really good when I start like that. Yes, we do have that new moon that is still working obviously until the 15th in Leo, so that is fantastic. And we do have until the 17th, we do have Mars in Leo as well, giving action and really boosting us and saying, okay, this is what we want to do. We've got Venus that is going to be there until the 21st, so that's already free in Leo, and we've got the Sun obviously because we are in Leo for the moment as well during that time, and Venus will leave about at the same time the Leo as we will go towards the Virgos. Virgos, you are going to have a really good time as well this month. Obviously, I've been working on the monthly updates for my clients, and Virgos, you're up for a treat. Finally, I know you've been waiting to have it all, and romance and love and things like that. Well, finally, there's going to be some good stuff going for you. And when it's like that, usually it's the earth signs as well, because when you have a strong aspect like love or things like that, any kind of earth signs, Taurus, Virgos or Capricorn are going to be the favorites. But for the moment, it's not your turn yet. For the moment, it's all the fire signs or people who have a strong aspects in fire. Rising, something strong, like Jupiter and things like that. Because yes, we have to remember, we also have Jupiter until the 2nd of December, which is in Sagittarius, so another fire sign. So yes, and this week we're going through something that is absolutely amazing. It's the Lion's Gate. So that will happen on Thursday. And actually Thursday is an awesome day. Thursday and Friday are actually extremely good to make deals, sign contracts almost, I would say. But the only reason why I haven't told you to do that is because of Jupiter. Because Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion, is only going to be moving forwards onto the 11th. So yes, you can meet someone. And yes, there's probably going to be something really amazing on that day. Things are going to be like flowing, and it's going to be opportunities and things like that. Look, just say again, I'm interested. I love that opportunity. Can I just think about it, or can you just give me some time to sign the contract? And then you sign the contract on Sunday or Monday morning, even better, on the 12th, so it's got time to really be forwards again, and then you can launch everything, sign all the contracts that you want and things like that. There will be another day that is going to be awesome. It's going to be the 21st, 22nd of August, but all that I will talk about it in my next videos, obviously. So few things are changing here, as you have seen. I've been waiting for those stars to change as well. So the first thing will be that I will start on Thursdays, but I'm not going to do it on this Thursday night. This Thursday night, I'm going to actually talk about that Lion Gates, because that's when we are going to go through it. So what does this mean actually? What does the Lion's Gate mean? Well, it's like an upgrade. It's like we're going up one level. So you have to be really receptive with the self. You really have to know what you want to manifest, and what you want to get. I already told everyone last week, if you can do a wishing board, or if you have done it this weekend, that was awesome. If you haven't, please make sure you've done it. And you don't need to have a big wishing board with all the pictures. If you don't have time to do that, that's fine. Just write a list. But again, that list, put it in the front of you afterwards. Don't put it in the garage, or places like that. Actually leave it where you are putting your makeup in the morning, in your bathroom or in your office, where you are going to be seeing it, because this is what the thoughts are. Yes, of course you have to work with the stars. There's no point trying other way anyway, because even though we are the masters of our own destiny, and that I really insist on that, you are the one creating it. You have to do it at the right time. It's just that if you are going to want to create something with Mercury retrograde, you're just going to be swimming against the tide. You're going to end up exhausted. When I say Mercury retrograde, I think about what my client sent me yesterday. It was awesome. Now Mercury is moving forward, so now anything that is not working is your own fault. But that was really cool. But yes, so you have to really be clear with what you want, and putting it up there, and so you are able to see it. Because again, the washing machine is going to break down, the kids are going to be sick. There's life. There's problems and things like that everybody gets, every day or every now and then. So stay focused in the morning, do a meditation, put yourself into that bubble of fire, put yourself in high energy, and just look at your list where you want to go. Because if you don't visualize it, you won't get there. You need to be up there. You need to have your purpose clear with yourself, and no one else can have that except you, And then after that, yes, it's all about the reception of the self. It's really knowing where and what you want to become and what you want to be doing. And then there's this gate that we will go through with all those magical aspects, and obviously with the numbers, it's 8-8 on that day. And guess what? The stars are even better on that day than almost any time into the month. There's two magical days. It's the 8th and the 21st. The 24th, yes, is well, but it's more kind of for the Virgo. So for the self, and talking about what you really want this month, it's the 8th and the 21st, 22nd. That are the best days. It's just on both kind of days. It will go, it's so strong that it will actually glitter on the 21st and glitter on the 22nd. And so that is really cool. So that's it. So look, it's going to be awesome. So make sure you have done that by the time we get there. I will talk about it more, obviously, on the night. So this Thursday night at 6 p.m, it will be about that Lion's Gate. We will talk about it. I might even see someone maybe to do a meditation. We'll see how we go with that. And then after that, from the week after, I will, every Thursday night, I will take people randomly. I will do readings like sometimes you see with people that are online, that are doing questions and answering. So people will just have to put their date of birth, and with the hour would be great. But it was going to be very, very hard for me to calculate like that. So at least the date of birth and the place will be fine, and then I will just keep on going. That's enough for me to answer straight up and tell you where you are at in life and what's going on around you. And what else did I have to say? Retreats. I still have a couple of people that I can take for Bali. Numea New Caledonia at the end of the year, at the beginning of the year in January, is feeling very, very fast. We are going to be on an island. I have booked a whole part of the island. We're actually even going to be doing those meditations and things like that into a little church in the middle of the palm trees on a little private island. I mean, it's just fantastic. It's just so beautiful. So we're going to be there. It's just absolutely awesome. So that is going to be in January. You can find the details on my group with events. And otherwise, yes, there's still a couple of places for Bali. I can still have an extra room. So if you want to come, just let me know. Obviously, what I give at retreats, I don't give anywhere else. It's just normal because the people are trusting me and coming. So not only you cleanse, you get massage, you learn a lot about astrology. I give you a lot of tricks on how to do it and how to understand it. And obviously there's a lot of other things coming up as well. You will learn a lot about other things as well. I've got people coming with us that are going to be teaching you about the gods and what is important and how to heal your body. There's going to be people talking about heaps of different things. I'm going to leave them as a surprise, and you will have the program for whoever is coming. But there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things that are going to be there. We are still going to go and see, obviously. There's healers. There's yoga classes. There's an amazing healer. He actually sings like an angel. His voice, you think it's a woman, or it's just absolutely amazing. He's also psychic, so he sees things. The masseuse that comes over, she actually sees through you. So she does a massage, and she's fully booked, like with people that are multimillionaires, you know, the Russian people that book her 1 year in advance because she is so good. So she's going to be with us again this year. And yes, she just manipulates your body, look after you and stuff like that. And that's going to be awesome. And the people coming are, that's what I wanted to talk about before, are going to be saying what they do and teaching some lessons as well. But I will let them present it and talk about it later on. That's why I didn't talk about it too much. So that's it. Yes, the retreats and the program. Everybody's been asking me, what is this thing with my program? Well, my program is that as much as I was doing all the readings and helping everyone from health, and I'm still going to do the ones obviously that I've got to line up until the end of the year. I've got also the fact, I just want you to understand that if you've had a reading with me, I will always look after you. That was part of the deal. Just wanting that to be really clear as well, because some people were like, oh, what's going to happen with that? Well, you're still my client, so I'm not going to stop that. It's just that I'm going to focus a little bit more in looking after people, making sure that I am actually changing their lives, because for the moment, a lot of people have been following this program, that program, or you know, doing a lot of different things, but I was not really seeing my clients' lives changing. Like, I could tell them what to do with the reading and everything, but in fact I could see that some of them were still struggling. You know, some really young ones couldn't make it, some older ones, it was hard for them to be able to suddenly become the person they wanted to become, because simply, you know, physically they needed to be, you know, doing all these retreats. It's linked with the fact that you are exposing yourself, and there's always this 10 to 12% return. So people that couldn't do it, and then some other people, moms, single moms, you know, and that's something I know very well. You know, I've been straight up here in Australia with my little ones when they were babies, so it's not always easy, you know, you need to juggle and things like that. Well, for me it was quite simple, I have to admit. My kids are awesome, so I can't complain, that is for sure, but yeah, it's not easy for everyone, you know. And so the first thing obviously is to use the stars, because you are going to make your life so much easier, to know your purpose, what you need to do, when you need to do. That helps so much. I just cannot say that enough. You will make your life so much simpler, and just boom, everything that you are doing and expanding things when you do them at the right time. But I wanted to find a product. I wanted to find, well, not a product because it's not even that, but I wanted to find a solution for people to be able to use the tools of 2020 and be able to become the person they wanted to become, but also having some stream of money coming in all the time. And no, it's not about bitcoins, it's not about all these kind of things, and I'm not saying that all these things are not changing, and they definitely will. The world of the finances will change in next year, because we do have Saturn and Jupiter in Capricorn, so the institutions and all these kind of things are changing. As I was saying last time, the banking system is already moving as well, but no, nothing to do with that. It's much more personal. It's linked with yourself. It's not linked with someone else, you know. So at least you are protected as far as that is concerned, and there's no problems with that. I will only take 10 people to start with, because they will be my ambassadors. They will be my best publicity, like the readings. I always wanted at the beginning, I was extremely affordable because I wanted you guys to see that it was working. Same here when I give the videos, the weekly videos, because I want you to see that it is working, that astrology does make sense, and that you can live it and feel it every day. So and I couldn't really put more, you know, for a reading. The price, you cannot be too much as well, because otherwise it's not accessible. So I did that program. I'm going to do that program, but just making people and just taking their hands. So it's not $20,000, it's not $10,000, it's not all of that. And obviously I'll make sure that with my clients, straight up, I'm helping them to make enough money to even pay what they will pay me, to make sure that, they are still making more than what they will have to pay me if I'm looking after them, you know, one-on-one for 1 year, and making sure that during that year we are changing their lives completely. So this is it. So this is what my program is. I've already started the interviews. I'm only going to pick 10, and don't worry if you are not in for the 10 first ones, you will be into the next slot. Yes, that's it. That's what I'm doing, and that's what is new into here. I'm going to be next Monday in Nouméa, New Caledonia, so the video will be from over there. I've got to go and do an event over there, and then I will also do a TV show. So that is awesome, that is very exciting. I cannot wait to be back there and catch up with my friends and family and all that. It's just going to be awesome, so that's where I'm going. So I'll post some nice pictures to show you for the people who want to come to Nouméa, New Caledonia, to see how beautiful it is, even in winter. So you will see how gorgeous that place is. And that's it. Look, I cannot say how much this week is amazing. Everything is there for us to have a great time. So keep on going, keep on creating everything that you want to create, because in Leo, everything is about that. It's creativity, it's warmth, it's looking after the self, knowing what you want, standing up for your truth as well. It's really linked with your truth. Say what you want, really do it and say, this is the way I want my life to be, and stand up for yourself. It's important, so it resonates right with yourself within, because otherwise it's going to make you sick. So stand in your truth, what you want to do and what you want to make happen, and think about that upgrade that you want to do as well, and put your intention there, especially for Thursday. And Thursday night I'll be there at 6 p.m. To talk about that. I'm also doing an event. I'm also doing an event on the 7th. If you want to join us, I'm going to give a lot of goodies over there, which is normal if the people are coming. So you can join us. It's with Chris Henderson, and you can join us over there. It's on the 7th in Brisbane. So that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye everybody. Bye.